Hey, YouTube people, welcome to Zoe's Garden. On today's episode, I want to talk about seed starting on the cheap with reusable items you have around the house. So if your kids are bored, this is a great project to do with them also. I'm sure many of us have been staying at home during the coronavirus outbreak, and you've got a lot of to-go containers, plastic to-go containers laying around, like this one. It is a great greenhouse you can use as seed starting. This is a fried chicken container, and this is a plastic strawberry container. And then also, I'm sure many of you have paper towels and toilet paper rolls laying around, and after you're done, you're left with these cardboard centers, and they're actually perfect for individual seeds. And I'll show you what I've done. After you take the cardboard or the toilet paper roll and you cut them into little 1-inch or 2-inch sections like this, and you have individual cup holders. And I did not drill any holes at the bottom for drainage because I don't plan to keep the seedlings in here very long. But I used to use a seed starting mix. You don't have to use that. I just go straight for the potting soil mix because that's just cheaper and just more convenient, and I feel like it really does the same. So what you do is you fill this up, an individual round cardboard, and fill each of these holes with the potting soil mix. Then put your seed in each of the hole, and then I would water it till it's damp. Not till it's soaking wet, till it's damp. And then just shut the lid, and you have these little holes you can pop open if you feel like it needs some ventilation, but usually this is enough, and it'll get nice and steamy in here, and it's like act like a little greenhouse. And once your seeds actually emerge, and you'll have about 1 or 2-inch seedlings, then you can just take the little brown cups and then pop them into the soil wherever, and the cardboard will just decompose, or you can just remove the cardboard edging, which I usually prefer to do. And that's it. A little greenhouse to start with your kids and keep them from being bored. So thanks for watching, and if you like it, share it and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.